Chris going back to his roots. He's learning how to plow the soil again.
Chris, do the angel.
Chris, meron pa lang siya, oh. Dami pa pala yan. Kailangan matapos mo yan ngayon.
He's getting his on-the-job training.
Yeah. Bagong trabaho ni Chris. Nag-quit na siya sa ano.
No more computer technology.
Wala nang fresh and easy.
No more IT tech.
Yep.
Plowing tech na.
So, ang dami mong gagawin, Chris.
Ano, ka-riding yan.
Oops, oops.
Ito yung pag nalaglag si Chris, eh. Fucking na.
Alam mo,